Hey friends, my name is Sami. I appeared in IMAT 2023 and got 46.2 marks. Today I'm going to explain how you can prepare within 1 month because it is very tricky because covering whole IMAT syllabus is very hard, but I am going to give you whole blueprint how you can do that, as I have got IMAT accelerator. So in that IMAT accelerator everything is listed, so I'm going to explain whole process because that is very legit. You must understand what is the process, then you can implement by your own self if you don't want to join. So first thing, most of you are non-Europeans and also Europeans, but the problem is that we don't know how to prepare for actually IMAT. We don't know which books we should be choosing and what is the way we should approach a specific chapter, and in specific chapter what are the specific topics that we should study, like what is the way to understand concept, what are the lectures that we should be watching, and there are like what are the questions we should be solving, and then IMAT past papers, like specific past paper question that is related to that chapter is like presented to you. So let me tell you the whole process of IMAT accelerator. First of all, what happens is that you are added into one Discord community. In that Discord community you are going to get every day, although the 4-week schedule will be shared, although if you want to watch the whole 4-week schedule with hidden everything, if you want to watch, the link will be in video description and also you can see on the screen. So first of all, on day 1 the whole 4-week schedule will be shared with you, but what will happening every day, with every day schedule you will be given what topics you should need to cover in that chapter, because we are going to cover chapter because it's very hard to cover specific topic like 2-3 topics. It's impossible, so we will be doing chapters really in each specific chapter, and that's easy. It's not hard because I have got well presented notes. So now you are presented with whole chapter overview, what you need to study, and you will be mentioned what book pages you should be reading. Everything will be mentioned. Now you are preparing. So after that, like prior to live class, before 1 hour to class, you will be given related past question papers to that top chapter that you have prepared in the morning. So now you are presented with that. What you are going to do is that solve it will be on my site or in Google form with timer set, so you will have to do in the given timer. There will be no PDFs shared. Okay, so now you have done the past paper question, so now you have got the idea what are you going to see in real time IMAT exam. And now the third step would be live class. It would be 2 hours or 2.5 hours live class, in which you will be given thorough guide from my notes. I will be planning whole my notes, what things you should be remembering, because everything is cooked. You can check out this video I have made about my IMAT notes, but let me tell you, there is no explanation of the notes, so I will be giving in those 2 hours live class. But additionally, I will be telling you what things you need to memorize, because these are the short tricks. There will be like in my notes I have made, first of all there are concepts written, and at the end there are questions related to those above concepts, so they are sort of very effective. So after live class you will be given chapter wise practice questions, because now you have read the chapter in the morning, solve past paper questions, then attend a live class in which you got the thorough overview on concept, what you missed and what approach you should have adopted. And then at the end of the live class, I forgot to mention, there would be past paper question explanation that I sent earlier. I will be doing whole past paper questions explanation. Now the fourth step would be at the end, at the night, you will be given chapter wise practice question to get more thorough overview, because I believe you learn more by solving questions than just reading books. So these are the 5 steps. So this whole process will be running 6 days a week. At the end of the week, on 7th day, you will be given mock exam from whole things that you have covered, whole syllabus that you have covered in first week. You will be given mock exam, and that mock exam is little bit tough. With that I mean, because the style of those mock exam questions is similar to IMAT exam. Okay, similar to IMAT exam, and they are kind of tough, because I believe that the more tough questions you will solve, the real time IMAT exam will become very easy. So this is the reason. And now after mock exam, and mock exam will have specific time, okay, because in IMAT exam you have to solve one question in 1.6 minutes, so it is kind of hard. So you are like training, although I'm going to reduce time because I want to make you tougher and very productive in your IMAT exam. So this is the whole thing. Now there will be mock exam discussion, maybe within in next week, or maybe after second week, whatever the situation, you will be notified everything in the Discord server. And now the cool thing that I have got is that there will be negative marking in that, and negative, just like IMAT, you will be given negative 0.4 for attempting each wrong question, and 1.5 positive 1.5 for marking each correct answer. And if you are not going to attempt, you will be given 0 marks. Okay, so this is the whole process, and in these 4 weeks we are going to cover each and every subject of IMAT. Okay, from biology, chemistry, physics, general knowledge. General knowledge is sort of general, so I will just guide you how to prepare that. But then there will be maths, and then there will be logical reasoning. Logical reasoning we are explaining. I have just uploaded a 2023 logical reasoning questions, so you can check that out. And now the cool thing that I haven't mentioned is that there will be some sort of peer-to-peer sessions with your group buddies, because I believe that competition is is crucial. Okay, competition is very crucial. If you don't have got competition, you are not going to prepare well. I will be sharing mock exams ranking so that you can get an idea where is my rank and where is my buddy's rank, and you can talk with each other, because it is a sort of system where you are cooperating, you are interacting, and you are learning and like optimizing yourself. And in Discord server you can discuss questions 24/7. And there is one more cool feature, that is bonus IMAT mock exams. That is, after 4 weeks you will be given 2 full-fledged IMAT mock exam that would be similar just like IMAT real exam that you are going to see in your real-time IMAT exam. And there will be timing, like proper time will be given, although there will be less 10 to 20 minutes less than, because I want to prepare you, although that we will just adjust that maybe full time like 1 hour and 40 minutes, okay, like 100 minutes, but we will see that. Second thing is that there will be discussion of those IMAT exams so that you can learn what are your mistakes and then you can improve. Now the bonus thing is that you are going to have session with previous IMAT students. You are going to get an idea what was their approach, how they prepared. You can ask all the questions, okay. There will be like session that you can, there are like, it's going to be very productive, okay. So you can you will have that. After 1 month you will have access to that Discord server, but where you can do tons of practice, because I will be sharing all the books will be there, all the premium and all the books will be there, all notes, everything will be there, properly organized. And I will brief you how you are going to practice, because now your syllabus is covered. We have got one agenda that we have to cover whole IMAT syllabus in 1 month. Now we have covered that. Now you are going to do practice. Practice is the like key thing. If anybody who is not practicing, he is not going to do, like we are going to discussing these things. And there are some sessions where I am asking you questions, which university you have to choose, and what are you planning. Like I am giving solid advices how you can approach IMAT exam. So this university merit was like this, and maybe this year can go up or not. We are discussing these things, and I am giving you an approach, like what approach you should adopt for this university for IMAT exam. And there are tons of other discussion, because that is super helpful. At the end, I'm just saying it's completely going to be worth it, and it's not like very high price. I am already said in the first video, I was going to make it completely free, literally completely free. But there are like just people who don't care about anything, like I'm grinding, but they don't think. So that's why the only sole purpose of setting just, it's not that high. As I was talking with a student in Italy, he said like 80 to 100 euros are just like a good price. It's not high, everybody can afford it, and those who will be affording, it means that they are super interested, and that will give you an edge that you are putting your energies in right direction. So that's the just motivation. You can check out the whole sales page on my website. Everything is mentioned there, what you are going to get, whole 4 week schedule, and IMAT process is mentioned with the like blur, everything blur. You can check that. And if you have got any queries, you can just straightforward DM me on Instagram, iSamiKamal, or just email me at sami@samikamar.com. But do write IMAT Accelerator in the subject, or you are in the first message, so that I can see that you are interested, and then I can initiate talk, because otherwise it will get so hectic, because I'm getting so many messages and I have to manage, because at right now I'm teaching other things too in physical campuses. So that is very like hard thing. So I hope you guys are getting this. And the last, I would say this is going to be completely worth it. You just have to put trust. I am 100% sure you will be prepared, because I don't want you to linger in groups like what should I do, I don't want you to do that. But if you trust me, then just get in the system, and I am 100% sure you are going to get value out of it, okay. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If that seems like quite helpful, then head over to description, the link is in the video description. Just book it, because I'm going to take very few students, literally very few students. So just go there and check that. And if you have enjoyed this video, then like it and comment if you have any queries below, and I will surely answer. So thank you for watching. See you in next video. Till bye bye. Also, you can check out this video, my first IMAT Accelerator video, just to get more comprehensive overview. So just hit this video. So bye bye. See you in next video.